So we're here on the Gulf Coast of Florida, and we're throwing bread up to seagulls. See if they catch it. Oh, close. That's my dad, Fred Wilder.
Hello, guy.
Oh, normally there's more seagulls, and there were earlier, but now we just have one loner. So he's gonna get all our love and attention for now. So we just have little balls of bread. Throw it up. Oh man, he's not catching it. Oh, that was close. Oh, here comes another one. Holy moly, that was close. Here we go. Oh man. Oh, he's going after these right here. He almost went after my pile. Nice. Got it. Holy moly, that got close. I just shut my eyes.
That's how they did the birds.
How close did it get?
They painted black ones.
Oh.
I mean, they turned them black. They
Yeah.
seagulls.
Oh, really?
Turned them black on the screen. That was back in the black and white days of school. Yeah.
How long? How close did that one get?
Well, we ought to help them. I think
To my
we gotta
face.
Bring this in.
Okay. Holy gosh, that's so close.
You gotta lift it in.
So this is kind of the fun part of one fun thing we do here at St. Teresa Beach is feeding the seagulls. Kind of a new thing that we do. Whoa. It's not really that new actually. All right, one last piece. See if we can make it a winner. See which one gets it. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.